I'm sharing
Okay.
the screen.
Yeah. If you check here, it is not. Is it visible now? Whatever the changes you have done locally.
Yes, sir. This one.
Okay. So this is a process. Okay. Remotely, you have to create a repository, and then you can use git clone command to download. Clone means it is going to copy the entire repository to your local. Okay. Just open that PDF and see now. Open that PDF. Now go up, go up. Go up, go up, go up. Oh, wait. Now just scroll down again. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Go down. Yeah. Wait. Wait. So now you can see these things, right? Clone, pull, push. Now you have done this. Okay. Clone means what? Clone operation creates the instance of the repository. Okay. Clone operation not only checks out the working copy, but it also mirrors the complete repository. This is very important. Okay. Whereas in SVN, checkout means just it will take the particular things like trunk or whatever branch you have it. Okay, here it is nothing but it is going clone means it is going to create a instance of the repository. That means the exact copy, the mirror, entire mirror of your complete repository. Okay. So clone operation not only checks out the working copy, but also mirrors the complete repository. Okay. Users can perform many operations with this local repository. The only time networking gets involved is when the repository instances are being synchronized. So once you clone, the entire repository is present in your local and you can do whatever you want. Okay. Create a branch, do the changes, merges, everything. But when you want to synchronize your changes to the remote, then only the networking is involved. Otherwise, you can perform local. Okay. And then once you modify your changes locally, and if you want to synchronize those changes to the remote, you have to do the push operations. Push operation copies the changes from local repository instance to a remote one. This is used to store the changes permanently into the Git repository. This is same as commit operations in the subversion. See, here also they are comparing with the subversion. See, if you are not aware of subversion, then how can you understand this Git? That's why I covered subversion. Okay. So now whatever we are doing it command line. So now you can compare graphically what you have done with the SV. Okay. The push means it is nothing but the same operations, commit operations in the subversion. Okay. Clear? So push operations copies the changes from the local repository to the remote one. Okay. So now what is a pull? Pull operations copies the changes from remote repository instance to local one. Okay. So the pull operation is used for synchronization between two repository instances. Okay, this is same as the update operation in the subversion. You know this, right? Update. So if you want to take an update from remote repository, you have to do the pull operations here. In SVN, You used to do right click and trunk and then say update. It will get the changes from the central repository to local. But here it is remote to local. So these three terms are new for you. Okay. In previous class, we have not used this clone pull push. So clone pull push appears whenever there is a remote repository. You're using a remote repository, then you are going to use this commands. Clear? Okay.
Sir, can't we
Yeah.
unchange the operation made to the remote?
That will come later. Okay. We can do.
Okay.
First, we'll see locally and then we'll see remotely.
Okay.
So undo the changes locally and then remotely. Okay. Okay. Now minimize this. Now come to git bash local. Okay. There is something called, just go up. See, when you just go up and see, there is something called, okay, not here. Come to the git bash. Just go up. Okay, just go up. Go up. Ah, see here in the starting. Okay, wait. Down, down, pull down. You can see there. Git remote -v you have done. Na? Just go up. No, wait. So if you say git remote -v, it will show this URL. Okay. After this, see there is something called fetch. There is something called fetch. Okay, what is this fetch? What is the purpose of this fetch? So now I'm using pull actually, right? So what is this fetch? They will ask in interview, what is the difference between fetch and pull? Okay. So there is something it is showing fetch. So what is the use of this fetch? Okay. So what I'll do is go to the remote repository. Do some changes to the file. Okay. Save this, close this, commit it and come out.
Yeah, already done. Sir.
Okay. Now come to the command line. So see, instead of pull, if I do fetch, what happens? Okay, now we should try to understand What is the difference between fetch and pull? Okay. So now just say git fetch origin master. See, this will, okay, after doing the fetch, just go and check the file. Go and check the file and see what happens. See, git fetch is not merge those changes, only it will take a update. Just now go to the command line. See, it is showing something here, remote, okay, and then it is counting the objects and then whatever it is doing, okay. So it is taking an update from remote to local, but it won't merge the changes, okay. When you say pull, it is going to merge the changes. Now, after performing the fetch, you have to perform one more activity called git merge. Then only you will get those changes. Just say git merge. Enter. Okay, now go and see the file. Okay. So fetch, if you do the fetch, it will take the update from remote to local, but it won't merge the changes to the local repository. Okay. But when you does the fetch, you have to perform another activity called merge. But when you do the pull, what happens? Directly, you'll get the changes. It will update and then merge it. So the difference between fetch and merge is fetch, it will take an update and it won't perform the merge operation. When you say pull, it performs fetch plus merge, both. Okay. Note down in a notepad. They will ask an interview. What is the difference between fetch and pull? This is a 100% question. Okay. Just note down. You have a token, right? Token notepad. Open that and okay. Note down the question. What is the difference between fetch and pull? Normally we use a pull operations only. Fetch we won't use much. Okay, but still they will ask what is the difference. Okay, fetch will take the update from remote to local, but won't merge the changes. Okay. So next, what is pull? Okay, next. Pull means pull is equal to nothing but fetch plus merge. Fetch plus merge. Okay. Got it? Pull means it will perform the fetch and again the merge operations. Okay. So this is the major difference. Git pull is equal to fetch, git fetch and git merge, both. Okay. Whereas git fetch means it will take only update, but it won't merge. Again, you have to say git merge command. Okay. If you say git pull, it will do git fetch and merge. That is the difference. Okay. Fine. Now come to the command line. Okay, just check git status. Okay, the branch is up to date. There is no need of merging it. Okay, now open a file and add any line. Type some numbers. Okay, just type some numbers. See, now I have written some code and then suddenly I'll come to know this. Okay, I don't want these changes. Now go to the git command line, just say git status. See, now it is modified, but I'll come to know that it is not required to commit it to the repository. I have done some mistakes and this changes is not required. Then you can say git checkout and then the file name. So it will undo the changes. Readme.md, that file name. Enter. See, now go and check that file. This changes whatever number you have typed, it will be undo. Close that file actually. Open a new file. See, whatever changes you have done, by mistake you had done that, okay, and you want to remove that. Okay, I don't want to save this and commit it. Just you can say git checkout and then the file name. It will undo the changes which you have done. Okay, this is a one way of undoing the changes locally. Okay. See, this is a scenario where you are not committed to the local repository. Okay. If you are committed, there is a other way. Okay. So if you are not committed, just you want to change this, okay, undo the changes, just you can say git checkout. So git checkout can be used in two ways. One is to undo the changes which is done locally, but you are not committed to the repository. That you can use git checkout. Another way is git checkout and then the branch name. If you give the branch name, you can move to the other branch, switch over to the other branch. So git checkout, you have two usage of this git checkout. One is to undo the changes which you are not committed, just you have modified that file. That is the git checkout command. And if you want to switch over to another branch, then also you can use git checkout. This is the two usage of your git checkout. Got it? Okay. So now let us see how to create a branch and then how to work on this branch. See, now you have a master branch. Okay. So now I want to create a new branch. Just say git branch and then the branch name. Okay. Okay. Whatever branch name you will give, just enter. Now just check git branches. So it will show two branch. Master is active. Now demo branch is not done anything. Now switch over to demo branch, git checkout and then the branch name. Okay. So now see, now if you see right side, from master you have moved to demo. See, highlight in the right side. Before you are in master. So now you are in demo. Okay. So now what I'll do is I will add some files here. Okay. In this demo branch. Just go and create a file. Yeah, create a new file. File1.txt. Okay, save this. Just say git status and see. Again, git add and git commit. Added changes in branch. Okay, so now then file.txt ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. wait ಫೈಲ್ನ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. .txt ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. Now add it. Git add space dot. See, this is a new file. That's why it is not giving option -a-m. Okay. Once it is a new file means you have to add git add and then dot and enter. So if it is already a old file, if you have modified, then you can say git add -a-m, that option. Okay. Okay. Now see, now you have created a file and added. Now just check git log and see git log. So where is the head? Head is pointing to your demo branch. Okay. See, added changes in branch it is showing, or added file actually. Okay. One file you have added. Okay. Now add one more file and see.
And the local.
Local one. Added second file you can say in branch. Okay. So see, now we have done some changes in the branch. Okay. Now actually I want to push this branch to the remote, and then I have to merge these changes there. So initially what we have done, directly we have done the changes to the branch, master branch, and then we have pushed that changes directly to the master. Actually, that is not correct. So because if you have a only one branch, you can do that. But right now, here in locally, I have created some branch and I want to merge these changes to locally. But here, there is no use of merging here because the master branch is created in remote. Okay. If somebody, whatever you are doing the work now, same way, somebody might have done the changes. They have also cloned the repository and then they have also modified by creating the branch and then they want to merge the changes to the master. So before merging the changes to the master, so you have to verify whatever the changes you have done in the branch, demo branch, is really required to merge it to the master. Okay, if really required, then one person is going to verify, review the code, and then he will merge it to the master. Okay, so directly now whatever we have done now, directly you can't push the changes to the master. Okay, normally we won't give a permission for a user to directly merge it to the master. So now what is the process then to merge it to the master? First, what I have to do is I have to push the branch to the remote repository. And then you can observe this branch in the remote. Okay. First go to remote. And see how many branches are there. Left side, only master. Right. So currently there is only one master branch. There is no other branch. So if you see here, okay, just go back, click on just that repository. Instead of readme file, just go back. Okay, click on that. Yeah. If you see here, there is a only one branch. Okay. Click on this drop down. Click on this drop down. See, there is a branches. What is the branches? Only one master branch is there. There is no more branch. Okay. So now I have to push this branch from local to the remote. Okay. Come to the local. Now say, go to command line. Git push origin and then the branch name.
Enter.
Hmm. Okay. So now come to the GitHub. Now see how many branches you have. Down, down. See now. Okay, you got one master and then the another branch. Okay. Now go back. Okay. See. Now after create, if you push the branches from local to the remote, see here you are the one user. Okay, you are doing some modification by creating the branch. Like this, n number of developers are going to work and they will create their own branch and they will do the modification. But if you want to, okay, merge your changes to the master, then you have to send this branch, okay, to the remote. So now it will appear here. So after appearing here, see demo one branch is there. So now you have to compare and create a pull request. Okay. So then only you can merge the changes. So if anything comes here, okay, new branch, you have to create a new pull request. Okay. Then only that pull request should be reviewed by another user. Okay. The master branch, you won't be having a access. Normal developers will work now. They can work on their own branch. And if they want to merge the changes to the master, they require to create a pull request. Okay. And then here see, right side there is something called reviewers. Right side something called reviewer. So here you have to mention the reviewer name. Okay. Who wants to review this code? So normally from one of the team lead is going to work on master. Other developers are going to work on different branch and they will send the branch or they will push the branch to the remote. So now here on the remote side you'll come to know there is a new branch. So here you have to create a pull request and then assign a reviewer so that he will review the code and he will compare with the branch and the master. Okay. So for this actually you have to create a pull request. Just create pull request. Down now. Create pull request. Add some comment. Create pull request. See, when you are creating the pull request, it will show here two branches. See in the up. So wants to merge to commits into master from demo branch. It is showing like that. See in the up first line. Okay. Go to the first line. So when you are creating a pull request, what it says? So the user Bhavana wants to merge two commits into the master. Okay, from demo branch. So demo branch is created by Bhavana. Okay, master will be created by another user. Okay, so now you have two branches. Now you are creating a pull request to tell the other user that I have created a branch and then I have modified something and I have added some file. So this file is required to deliver to the customer. So one of the user reviewer name I have to give. That reviewer is going to compare this master branch and then the demo branch, and then he will decide whether these files is required to merge it or not. If everything fine, then he will merge it to the master. Then from there, all the files will go to the particular environment. Okay, our customers. Okay, first see now I'm going to create a pull request here. Okay, just scroll down. This branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so just go up. Okay, so when you are creating the pull request, you can
Okay, give the reviewer name, right side, just go right side. There is a reviewer, click on this reviewer. See, you will find some reviewers here, request up to 15 reviewers. Okay. So if you have other users, then you can give the username here. Okay. If you have a team lead, then you can give that team lead name here so that you can verify this. But right now I don't have any users, so I'll leave like this one. Okay. But normally you have to give the reviewer name. Okay. Okay. See, you can add some rules also while creating the pull request. Now, you can require approval from specific reviewers before merging. So here, if you have a reviewer, you click the